We are asked to find the total surface area of this triangular prism. We're given the measurements. So what we now do is isolate each side and find its individual area. So we've got two triangles. We've got a triangle here and a triangle at the back. We've got two triangles, and the area of a triangle is half base times height. Half base times height times 2. That'll cover both triangles. Then we've got the top, which is 17 by 10. So we've got this is for the triangle or triangles. We've got the top, which is 17 by 10, 17 by 10. Then we've got the base, which is 10 by 15. The base, which is 10 by 15. And then we've got the back, which is 8, 8 by 10. And the back, which is 8 by 10. So, um, half base times height times 2. That would be half base 7 equals 7.5 times height times 8 times 2, which is equal to 120, and then 17 times 10 for the top, which is 170, and all these are centimeters squared. 10 times 15, 10 times 15, which is 150 centimeters squared, and 8 times 10, which is 80 centimeters squared. And then we add them up. So 120, 170, 150, and 80. 0, 8, and 5, 13, and 7, 20, and 2, 22. 2 carry 2, 2 and 3, 5. 520 centimeters squared.